Do I literally just pour all of it? There's gonna be some good slime. It's still coming out, but like it's not coming out at the same time. Next, okay. Food coloring next. I need to get scissors. And do some dark. I think that's good, right? Yeah, just a little bit more. Yeah, okay. Next is baking soda. Wait, hold on. Help.
There, let's do the next one. Yeah, do these four here, and then.
You just add 1 spoonful of baking soda.
That's good.
Yeah.
4 + 1 = 7.
You like that much more?
Yeah.
Yeah. That should be good, right?
Do those 3 on your own, like these kids.
Now let's mix it. I can feel it already turning into slime. We don't need more color, right? There's a dark, already a dark blue color. So good. What do I put this on? This is where I'm gonna put it in, right? Deepen this one. Deepen. Now just put some in. No way. Wow. I think I should put a little bit of shaving cream in. That's how you make it like fluffy.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully it stays. You just take that off.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully.
2 seconds. Let me spray this and put it down.
Tiny bit more. Tiny bit. It's having my arm.
Right there, honey. 12 more.
This is like perfect.
Will you eat some of these if I make them?
Yeah.
Should I start picking it up? Oh yeah, that's where they did get picked up. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's such a pretty color. Wow.
Right now. Bring.
I love it. Wow. So pretty.
It's refill. Good job, princess.
I think I can pick up a little bit more though.
Alright. When you're done playing with it, put it more.